Hello, this Beats and Bobs animation gave me an idea, so today I'll be playing with coding something of the kind. We start with a number of arcs, so that's going to be something like 18. Then we have a loop, so for I starting from 0, going all the way up to n, increment I, then we have our arc elements, and for each within a style attribute, we set a progress k, which is basically I over n, and we don't want too many decimals here, so let's say we fix this problem. Okay, so pretty much something like this, and I guess we're done with the structure. Let's move on to the CSS. Now let's set the background black, and then for our arc elements, first off we decide upon a radius, and that's going to be in viewport units. Okay, let's absolutely position this. Then we set radius, sorry. Let's also set a border, and this is going to be something like 1n transparent, and then we have border top color. Make this white, and then let's also set border radius 50% so that it's round. Okay, now let's also set top 50%, left 50%, and let's also set margin minus that radius, minus. Sorry about that. Okay, now having done this, let's also set a rotation, and this is going to depend on that progress. So rotate calc, and here we have that progress key multiplied with one turn, and if we can create a keyframe animation, so keyframes from 0% to, actually let's set a percentage here, so make this something like, maybe this is too big, something like this. Okay, so use that percentage. So transform, and here I use that rotation from before, and then we use this. Let's say we have 100% minus and 100%, and then we add, what's wrong? Okay, SAS doesn't like this for some stupid reason. Translate along the y-axis, let's say 50%. Okay, so now that I have animation, easy out, infinite, alternate. Okay, let's see how that works. Okay, one more thing I want to do here. Exclusion, and by the way, this is mix, not background, except I don't have autocomplete for mix, so yeah, that's the whole deal. Now, something else I want to do is actually want to have an animation duration that I set right here, so then I use that animation duration also in a delay, so calc k times, and here I multiply something with minus t. So yeah, one more thing I want to do here is overflow hidden. Okay, so now I have this animation, but I can change it to something like this, and it's going to get a bit different, like this. Or I can use something like 4 there, and it goes something like this. For something like 6, I should probably increase this duration and get something like this. Or I can do here, I can do 50% 50% plus and use something like 2 here, or use 3, and as you can see, it just gives us different results depending on what we're using there, and we can make this a bit faster this way. Yeah, that may be a bit too fast. So yeah, we can do something about the middle part. So a border width, let's say 1em it was there. So let's use that. And here we can do calc. So do something like that. Half of it. Sorry about it. Okay, so something like that. As I said earlier, or I can do just something like this. That's going to be a lot faster, something like this. And in this case, I might want to do 100% minus. So yeah, there are lots of variations I can do like this. And you can play with it and see which one you like best, and let me know. In any event, this is what I wanted to show you for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have and you want me to be able to do more stuff in the future, please consider supporting my work. You can do so by being a cool cat and becoming a patron on Patreon. There's a link in the description below. Or you can make this kitty very happy by getting her something off her Amazon wishlist. Or you can support the implementation of the cool stuff that's not yet cross-browser. You'll find the links for everything in the description below. Or you can at least share this to show the world what can be done with CSS these days, because honestly, I think it's pretty damn cool. In any event, thanks for watching.